and I want to show you some examples of phi in the nature. Of course, I used materials collected by my whole team, and let me show you some examples. We will start with the smallest thing, most smallest and most common thing, and with the very big.
Temperatura.
Na komputerze musi to się.
Okay, then start with very small thing like snail's shell and starfish. Of course, starfish looks a little bit like a pentagram. Then we've got phi. When we compare, for example, this to the whole length, and smallest this whole length to this, will have golden proportion. And snail shell looks basically like the golden spiral. And of course, we've got also the golden proportion here between this and this part. And with smaller between this, and smaller parts. We've got also golden proportion in petals and seed heads and flowers, because when we are looking at seed heads, we can see these little spirals like this. There are many of them, and each one have got number of seeds that is the number of that is one of the number from Fibonacci sequence, like 21 or 34. And also in petals, flowers nearly always have got the number of petals that is the number of Fibonacci sequence, for example 5, 3 or 8 and more. We can find also the spirals with the number of the Fibonacci sequence in pine cones and in the pineapple, because as you can see there are numbers of the spirals and of the numbers of the parts of these pine cones. And also we can see that there are 5 parts and there are 8 parts of this pineapple. Golden proportion we can also find in the animals' bodies. Many different animals from many different species, for example, with butterflies, with tigers, and with ants. As you can see, there are many golden proportions in the head of the tiger. For example, when we compare the whole length, the length from the eye to the base of the nose, and you can see this. And in the butterfly, we also have many golden proportions. For example, whole height of the wing, and from this eye spot to the top of the wing. Also, tree branches in the perfect tree are in the golden proportion, because the numbers from the Fibonacci sequence 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on are the numbers of the parts of the tree branches. We've got one main and 2, 3, 5. As you can see, more and more branches. Of course, we can find pentagram even on the Earth. This is a photo from Google Earth that shows us a pentagram from the Kazakhstan. You can see this. And there are 6 golden proportions that we can find in the pentagram, because pentagram is a perfect shape for the golden proportion. There are many of these. And even Africa has got golden proportion in it. This is a golden spiral, as you can see, in the whole Africa. And when the wind forms a big cloud formation, they also formed the golden spiral. This is also photo from the. This also photo. No, this is photo from the air. Ow, from the space. And even in the space are golden spirals. For example, the spiral galactics. You can see this golden spiral. There is one, and there is the second spiral, and this is the second galactic. Also have this, and planets in our solar system have also golden proportion. When we compare this part to this part, we have golden proportion. And yeah, golden proportion in the nature is nearly everywhere. As we know, egg is really strong when we want to crush it like that, pushing there and there, and that's because it has golden spiral in it. And yes, golden proportion is everywhere. Thank you for your attention.